Good morning, fam. This is Toyota Camry XSE. Quick walk around. That's the headlights right there, and then we got the no fog lights, I believe. It's all plastic trim, and then the grille. Most of it, yeah, it's like I don't know. It's a weird design, but that's the grille in front. And sensors right there, parking sensors. Then the front camera. The same thing on this side. Side looks from the front. Yeah, as we go around, you'll see the wheels. And then this is, I believe, 1 year old. The new ones are inside. And then it's got, what's it called, the roof right here. It's really nice. And then the mirrors, it's got the assistance here for safety. See, focus. There you go. And then yeah, you have the keyless entry sensor. And then the interior, it's all leather. Interior is leather and looks good inside as well. Go around it real quick. Yeah, on this side we have, these vents are pretty much fake. The bottom, these vents right here is just plastic piece. Looks like they're vents, but they're not. And then we have quad tips, stock, the rear diffuser, how it's made, factory. Then the rear spoiler on top, it's kind of small one. See that? And yeah, go around to this side. In the back, leg room, not that much, honestly. That's why I went with the Accord. On this side, we got the heated seats as well. It's so busy inside, so I can't get a hold of someone to come out and open it, but this works too. But yeah, leg room in the back is not much if a person wants to sit comfortably in the front. Yeah, back here is not enough, like the Accords do. So they have it in this color. Quick walk around. And they have it in this color. But yeah, this color looks better. But again, I'd rather go with the Accord. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.